Ladies and gentlemen, we market a wide variety of birds, such as Creole chickens, Cuban chickens, peacocks, quail, and others with quality and health standards.
At the moment we are seasoning the chicken, or for you is pollo. So we use it salt, mustard and Chinese season. Then we are going to put it and rest it in a few minutes. After we let them seasoning the chicken, we put in a coke because we are going to do chicken with coke. After putting the chicken in the oven, we wait till 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes. After waiting for 30 minutes, we start moving them in the other side. So we start moving them in the other side. And it will going to change and be more smelly and cookie. It will taste good. And then we wait for other 3 minutes so it will complete.
The best variety and quality of chickens can be found through Little Birds, where is route nationwide. Orders and reservations on the phone 0983893777. We also offer delicious dishes such as grilled chicken and chicken with black soda. An inexpensive combo is chicken wings, accompanied with a variety of barbecue sauce, as well as cheddar cheese and mustard sauce with honey and personal soda. Visit us in Yawachi Avenue, kilometer 26, Triunfo, or follow us on our Instagram social network, 3 Little Birds.